Hi, do you know in 2015, a group of researchers found that lazy people are actually strategic thinkers. They are able to come up with shortcuts to get to the same goal effectively. And we know so well we can get so tired after a long day at work, taking care of the kids and chores, and all you want to be is lazy. I totally get it. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 shortcuts to help you stay on track of your healthy eating even when you feel lazy. Coming up next. Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Zoe. I believe in healthy eating and have tried several diets throughout the years. In this channel, I share with you practical tips to help you feel good and look good through food. If this is what you're looking for, do consider subscribing. Now, shortcut 1 is to spice it up. Now, these are my go-to spices to make any healthy food tasty. They are inexpensive and they only contain a single ingredient, so there are no other funky additives, so they're pretty healthy. Shortcut 2 is to bake it or air fry it. There is no need for oil, so there is no cleaning after that, and most importantly, it lowers the calories of the food you are eating. So this is what I usually do with the cauliflower. So within minutes, I would have washed, chopped up the cauliflower, placed it into the preheated oven at 230 degrees for 45 minutes. I personally like it al dente, so a little bit crunchy. If you like it softer, you can consider steaming them. So once it's done, just spice it up and ta-da! You've got your food. A simple and easy recipe, especially when we feel lazy. What's more, you have 45 minutes to attend to other things. If you find value so far, do hit the like button. So air fryer will do the same trick. So this is what I usually do with chickpeas. Just right out of the can, wash them, spice them up with whatever spice you love, throw them into the air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, done. Now, question of the day. Do you have a shortcut that helps you keep on track when you feel lazy? Comment down below, share with us. Now, shortcut 3 is to spiralize. Now, I've tried several spiralizer. This is by far the best because it takes up so little space and is really affordable. I got these from Amazon, so you can check those out. So when I'm really lazy and still want to eat well, I would spiralize a raw zucchini and spice it up. I love the al dente texture, especially without the soft center. After that, I just coat my zucchini spaghetti with chili powder for that kick. If you found value in this video, click the like and subscribe button. See you till the next video.